Hello everyone, my name is Elijah S. Honda. I am from WorldStudentScope. I'm here to give you a very important information. Many YouTubers are saying that IDP have started reappearing, but IDP has started reappearing only in Australia for now, and hopefully it will be granted in India. But don't get distracted by these kind of rumors, because it's not sure when this reappearing will be declared in India. When we get any official confirmation about it, we will inform you right away. And today, I'm also going to tell you about our special offer. Our special offer, we have our foundation courses. Foundation courses are just for 2,999 rupees, which have to do with people who have interest in writing the IELTS exam, wherein you come, you register, and you learn everything from the beginning. We teach and train you properly. And in our crash courses for appearing students, it has to do with people who have already registered for the IELTS exam, and they just need to be tutored in few things like the speaking, the writing, and reading, just to improve their skills a little bit. We can teach you for 7 days for just 199 rupees. And we also have our spoken English classes, which is for 499 rupees for 30 days. Spoken English classes are for people who are interested in learning how to speak English fluently, whether for job, for traveling purpose, or you just want to learn fluent English, or maybe you want to work with an airline. Whatever reason you want to learn spoken English, just get yourself registered. And we have our module specific classes, which is for 499 rupees as well. In this class, it has to do with people who are interested in learning how to read, also, or improving their reading skills, their writing skills, whatever skills that you want to improve. And even also for 2 hours spoken English as well, or 4 classes. Just get yourself enrolled in any of these modules, and definitely on this platform, WorldStudentScope, we are going to provide those services for you. Thank you.